Welcome to ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation's installation guidance videos. This is a series of videos demonstrating how to correctly install insulation. This video shows how to install ROCKWOOL pipe sections. You need the required personal protection, the right tools in good condition, work permit, and the surface of the equipment you wish to insulate must be clean and dry. ROCKWOOL pipe sections are mandrel wound for best thermal insulation. This is due to the concentric fibre direction following the circumference of the pipe. A concentric fibre direction will provide the best thermal performance. For horizontal pipes, the lengthwise joint of the pipe section should be turned towards the underside at the 6 o'clock position. To tighten the pipe section, you use binding wires. Our guidance is to use at least 3 pieces per running meter. You stick the ends into the wool. The joint should be completely tight. Once the first pipe section is mounted, you place the next one as close as you can to the other pipe section. There should be no gap between the 2 pipe sections. Finally, you use cladding to protect the insulation against mechanical damage and weather.